Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make apps bigger on Android. Here are some steps to make apps or icons bigger on Android by adjusting display and accessibility settings. First, open the Settings app. Tap the gear or the settings icon from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down and tap Display or Display in brightness or personalization. Now scroll down again to tap on Desktop settings. Here, tap on Appearance, tap Display size, Screen zoom, or icon size. The exact name may vary depending on your phone brand. Adjust the slider to the right. Move the slider to increase display size, making app icons and interface elements bigger. Preview the changes. Your screen will show a live preview as you adjust. Tap Apply or go back to confirm. Some phones apply changes automatically, others require confirmation. Next, go back to Settings. Also under Display and Brightness settings, go to Font size. Use the slider to increase font size. Makes in-app text easier to read. Return to home screen and check your apps. App icons, UI elements, and text should now appear larger. Tips: on Samsung devices, you can also pinch on the home screen or tap Settings, Home Screen Grid to make app icons larger by choosing fewer rows or columns. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.